Hello guys, welcome to Arithmetic Clinic. Thank you very much for your subscription and the comments on the channel. I am really grateful. So today we are going to work on something I saw somewhere also. I saw this question somewhere: 2 raised to power x is equals to what? X raised to power 4. And we are asked to look for the value of what? X. Wow, how do we go about this? So the first thing to do, let's rearrange this a little. So x raised to power 4 is equals to 2x. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to make x the subject of formula. For us to make x the subject of formula, what we need to do is that we need to find a way of moving this x from this place to this and move this 4 from here to here. So how do we eliminate 4 from here? How do we eliminate x from here? So we multiply the powers by the inverse of x. So multiplying the power by the inverse of x, 1 all over x, so it will become what? X raised to power 4 times 1 over x is equals to what? 2 raised to power x times what? 1 over x. So this x cancels this, so it becomes x raised to power 4 times 1 all over x is equals to what? 2. Now we need to move this 4 from this place to this place. So the same thing we do, we multiply the powers by what? 1 all over 4, which is the inverse of what? 4. So it will become x raised to power 4 times 1 over x times what? 1 over 4 should be equals to 2 raised to power 1 over 4. So this 4 cancels this 4. So at this we have 1 over x raised to power 1 over x is equals to 2 raised to power 1 over 4. Now if you look at this, we see that both of these are what? Similar. We have x raised to power inverse of x and is equals to what? 2 raised to power what? Inverse of what? 4. Now what we have to do is that we have to find a way of making this this thing to be what? Equal. So how do we do this? Now what are we going to multiply with this that will make both the base and the power to be what? The same. Now look at this. We have 2 raised to power 1 over 4. So let's say we are multiplying by, let's say, a over a. So and we want it to be such that it will be what? 2 raised to power what? Because this is going to give us 2 raised to power a all over 4a. So we want it to be such that 2a raised to power a should be the same as 4 times what? A. So how do we do that? So we make use of the process called checking. So let's say check. So checking to know the value. If a is equals to 1, now it will be what? 2 raised to power 1 is equals to what? 4 times 1. We see that that is not equal. If a is equals to 2, we see that 2 raised to power 2 is not equal to 4 times 2. Because 2 raised to power 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is what? 8. So let's say that a is equals to 3. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 4 times 3 is what? 12. So this is not equal. So let's say a is what? 4. 2 raised to power 4 is what? 4 times 4. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. And 4 times 4 is what? 16. So it means that our a is actually going to be what? 4. So coming back to this place, so it is now going to be that what? We have x raised to power 1 over x is equals to 2 raised to power 1 over 4 times what? 4 over 4. So that is to say that this is going to give us x raised to power 1 over x is equals to 2 raised to power 4 all over what? 16. So it will be x raised to power 1 over 4, 1 over x is equals to 16 raised to power what? 16. Now we have been able to achieve both x having a question that look like this. So what it means is that therefore our x is actually going to give us what? 16. So thank you very much for this lecture. So you can try this also on your own. So let's say that we have something that is 3 raised to power x is equals to what? X raised to power 9. So following the same procedure, so try it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.